Hi there! In this tutorial, let's create a simple stroke pattern using this chord. We'll also look at how to combine strokes with individual string picks. For details on how to input in the tab editor, check out another video. Alright, let's start by creating a new block in the pattern track and placing one stroke on the stroke lane. Today, we'll make a pattern using short strokes. Set each string's offset to linear and make it a downstroke. Let's make it a pretty fast stroke. Copy this stroke. And for the third one, let's make it an upstroke. We'll keep the speed fast to match the downstrokes. For velocity, let's set it so the first string is strong and the sixth string is weak. We'll leave the interval at the default value of 5. For the two downstrokes before it, let's set the velocity the opposite way. Now let's create an up, down, up pattern. Copy one bar and paste it to the next bar. Once you have 2 bars, you could extend it to 4 bars and copy within the block. But this time, let's copy the block itself. Let's have a listen. Next, let's try combining individual string picks with strokes. For example, let's keep the strokes as they are, but give the bass strings a slightly different rhythm. This time, we'll use the 6th string. For the first C chord section, it should really be the 5th string. Sorry about that. I'll fix it later. When syncing individual strings with a stroke, check the string offset in the strokes inspector. This helps it sound like part of the stroke. In this case, the 6th string offset in the stroke is -7, so we'll use the same value. Let's set this for the other 6th string blocks too. After that, remove the string you're picking individually from the strokes. This time, we'll remove the target string from all the strokes, but if you want it for a certain playing nuance, you can leave it in. When a string is picked by both individual pick and stroke, the one that triggers later will continue sounding. If you're placing blocks at the same timing, it's better to remove that string from the stroke. Now let's drop the MIDI into the DAW to see what it looks like. This is where I finally noticed the bass string mistake on the C chord. Sorry about that. Let's change the first bar to the 5th string. To change it, just move the block, and we'll remove the 5th string from the strokes. Let's check the MIDI again. You can see that only the bass string rhythm has changed. Let's apply the same fix to the remaining 2 bars. If you zoom in on the MIDI, you can see the notes are triggering with a time offset like this. Let's listen using the dropped MIDI. Sounds the same, right? Once you're happy with the pattern, save it as a preset. Right-click on the pattern block and select Save as Preset. Enter a name and description. Then click Save. Saved presets can be accessed from this preset button here. This is the pattern we just made. Let's delete the current pattern block and try loading it from the preset. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.